Childcare leaders, what you see in here is a Childcare Tax Pro agent, a GPT agent. And I know tax time is here, and I know you're going to have a million questions when it comes to taxes. And let's be honest, getting real help is expensive. EAs are expensive, CPAs are expensive. And most of the time, you're stuck waiting weeks just to ask one simple question. So I built something specifically for our industry using my personal team's knowledge, top tier enroll agents, and verified guidance straight from irs.gov. This custom GPT breaks everything down in plain English, childcare owners' language, and it's available for you 24/7. So you don't have to book a call, hunt someone down, or guess during tax season. Listen, AI is here to leverage, and I'm making sure our childcare industry uses it the right way, especially in the tax game. So let's dive in. Let's ask it a couple of questions, and you guys can see how it works. Hey, chat. I made over 80K this year, and I will like some strategies to lower my tax bill. You know, if you ask one of us that, you have to sit down on a call and it's going to cost, as time is money. So here you go. Hi, I'm your Childcare Pro agent. My goal is to help you keep more of what you earn by finding every deduction that applies to your childcare business. How can I make things easier for you today? Before I walk you through, as every tax person knows, you have to ask them, what state are you in? If they have dependents, what kind of business structure do you have? Because it is going to break it down for you per person. So I'm in New York. Let's say I have two dependents and I'm let's say just LLC. That's all you have to say. Answer it is going to break it down and tell you exactly what to do. Guys, watch this answer. I put a lot of time into this. Great. Thank you for sharing that. Before I walk into the right plan, I want to confirm one last thing. When you say you made over 80K, is it your net profit after expenses or your total income before expenses? Now, you guys all know that your gross income could be 100K, but if you spent, let's say 80K, you really only made 20K net profit. So this is why I made sure it asks you these correct questions. So when it spits out the answer for you, it can guide you correctly. So we're going to say our net profit is 80K, right? Wow, there you go. With the 80,000 net profit and as an LLC, tax as an S corp can lower your tax bill in a very real way. Let's walk through this step by step so you can see exactly where the savings come from. Before I go deeper, just confirming you're ready for me to continue with full strategies. Why? Your tax bill is high right now. So it's telling you as an LLC, default taxation, the IRS charges income tax and self-employment of 15.3% on a full 80K net profit. The self-employment tax alone is 12,240. If you follow me, you know that I talk about switching to an S corp when you after 60K net profit. So with an S corp, the IRS lets you split your income into a salary tax like normal wages. Owner distribution not subject to self-employment. This is how you legally could keep more money in your pocket, guys. You already know. If you pay yourself a reasonable salary, let's say 40K, and take the remaining 40K as distribution, you pay self-employment tax only on the 40K salary, not the full 80K. This saves most childcare owners 5,000 to 8,000 per year, depending on the state's independent. This fit your number very well, guys. What happens next if you want to help So if you want to make the S Corp move, you need to file Form 2553 with the IRS to elect S Corp status. It must be done correctly to avoid late election problems. So the Child Care Tax Pros can handle that for you. And if you want, you also have the link for us to get out on a call, and we can help you with that. Additional strategies, and it's showing you guys all the extra strategies that I charge thousands of dollars for. Literally. We sat down, like I said, we got the best of the best, put them in here, and this is here to help. And I always advise, this is educational, this is guiding you, this is assisting you, but you can also always confirm it at the end with a tax professional. I hope this helped. Let me know if you're interested in something like this. Click or post down below interested, and I'll be sending you this chat GPT that we will be using for the tax season, guys. Love you. Bye.